Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be making a quick kids friendly hairstyle for Janelle. And I've gone ahead to, what I did was just pat the back like that. This is making it 1, 2, and go ahead and use the ear here, top of her ear like so, and cut this one through all the way, then giving her 1, 2, 3. So now I have left the front. We can pat the front together. So what I love to do about her front so that the hair will not get scattered with ease is just to give it a little bit of cut like that. I'm gonna braid there. You can twist it however you want. Just a little bit like that. So I know you guys are not seeing my face, but you can see that I have extra clothes tied in my tummy. That's because I have a baby on my back. So guys, if you love this video, don't forget to smash that like button for your girl, and also share the video, give us a thumbs up, and hit on that subscribe button too. So I'm gonna clip this one out of the way. And you can also actually decide to use gel to sweep all this one in without braiding them. Okay, so look at that. Now we're gonna go with the same highest part of our eyebrow and just go like that. Just hold it up with rubber. Like so. Don't make it too tight. Now we're gonna do the same thing here. So guys, now that we're done splitting them, we're going to be working with 8. Then brush it out like so. And 4. That's just good enough. So see it guys. guys, if you have watched to this extent, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Don't forget, I'm not a pro. I've been doing my kids' hair, my daughter's hair since they were little. We live in Canada. Even when I was in Nigeria, I normally do their hair myself. If you find the video a little bit motivating for us mom doing our kids' hair by ourselves, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. To beat the hair. To beat it, you need a beater. We're just going to be using 3 that's all. And just go like that. You glide it through like that. Like that. Yeah. So now that you're done like that, just go reverse it inside like so. See? So when you reverse it like that, then you got it over like so, then place it, then you start wrapping it around like that. Go. That's all. Then you get the scissors and cut it out. Boom. Just like that. Now you try and glide the other one on top of it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is the finished look. We put on hot water, we bathe it. Thank you. If you have subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Peace. We out.